you're experiencing issues with Minecraft multiplayer not working, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Test your connection by visiting a website or using another online service. If your connection is down, reset your router or contact your internet service provider. Step 2. Verify server status. Check if the Minecraft server you're trying to join is online. You can do this by visiting the server's website or checking social media for any announcements regarding downtime or maintenance. Step 3. Update Minecraft. Make sure you are using the latest version of Minecraft. Open the game launcher and check for updates. If an update is available, download and install it to ensure compatibility with multiplayer servers. Step 4. Adjust firewall settings. Sometimes your firewall may block Minecraft from accessing the internet. Go to your firewall settings and ensure that Minecraft is allowed through. You may need to add an exception for the game. Step 5. Restart the game and computer. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, try restarting Minecraft and your computer. This can clear temporary glitches and refresh your network settings, potentially fixing the multiplayer connection. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve issues with Minecraft multiplayer not working. If problems persist, consider seeking help from community forums or support channels.